We've got a special GTO with us today. It's a 1970 455 HO. They made 241 of these in a convertible. So it's a rare car. It's documented by Pontiac Historical Service. Its numbers matching, and it has had a complete nut and bolt body off the frame restoration. This could be the jewel of any collection, or if it's the only collector car you have, get a good one. Go to volocars.com, where we have 200 good ones, all for sale, with prices and monthly payments as well, including this one here you'll find at volocars.com. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So repainted the original Burgundy Metallic. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a lot of beautiful metal flake in it. And everything is in excellent shape. It has the GTO scooped hood. This is all straight, no issues. The rubber bumper looks beautiful, fits very nicely. The front fender, all looking really sharp, clean, all the way down to the bottom. Nice, clean gaps, no bubbles, no issues. Opens very easily. Shuts very easily. So the quarter panels all around the wheel well, it's all clean, straight. The bumper fits the body. Does not have the typical convertible stress cracks there. Does not have them. All fits beautifully, all straight, no issues. Paint's gorgeous. All the metal flake is laid out evenly. Polished to a glass finish all the way down. Same thing on this side. Super clean body. Nice fit, shuts beautifully. Power convertible top, you'll see pictures of that on our website. That's all restored. All the handles, the rubber seals, the mirrors, the stainless, the windshield, all that's been restored or replaced. It does have the stripe package. That is a decal, along with the 455 GTO. That's decals. That's how it would have come. Check out the front bumper. It's always a big issue. They're rubber. They get cracked and damaged. No touch-ups, no cracks. This is all in excellent shape. I don't see anything wrong. Looks like there's a couple little bubbles in the paint right there. All this is really nice. The chrome bezels are shiny. The grills look to be really good original. Has the 14-inch Rally 2 wheels with the correct center caps and the lug nuts that are unique to Pontiac. Reproduction Polyglass G70 Goodyear tires. All right, you can tell she's a beauty. Let's open it up, see what's inside. All right, you're going to like this trunk compartment. It's detailed up real nice, painted beautifully. Has an LED trunk light. Has the sticker. They're always wrinkled. Jam is painted up slick. New weather strip. Inside is all clean metal, spatter painted. A new well liner. We have the tire cover popped off. I want to show you it's another polyglass tire on a painted rim. The jack assembly is all restored. So you got the cover with the matching mat. Comes with some literature, shop manual, and a really nice car cover. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. We're posting some really great cars. Visit volocars.com too. You'll enjoy that. So the jams are all done up slick. It has metal door edge guards. That's what it would have come with as an option. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are replaced. The interior is pretty much all new. That door panel, the armrest, window cranks are new. The door handle looks original. Really nice dash pad. I don't see any cracks or splits. The vents were replaced. This whole instrument panel, I'm sure, has been replaced. The chrome is shiny. Wood grain looks new. It does have the gauge cluster. That's an option. As a clock, it doesn't seem to be keeping time. This panel is real nice. Has a retro stereo. Everything's nice and clean. I like this machine turn trim. That's probably been replaced. All this is real nice and fits really well. Got some more literature in here, and put a tiger in your tank tail. The kick panels were new. Carpet's all new. Has reproduction Pontiac floor mats. The center console's in excellent shape. It's all real nice. Everything fits real nice in here too. Nice cushions in the seats. They've been reupholstered. Looks like new headrest. Looks like new trim on the backs of the seats. You got the floor mats in back as well, working interior lights. Original GM seat belts are in real nice shape. New side panels, armrests, new upholstery. In the convertible top boot, there's a rail that's supposed to slide into. We got to install that. I have those in the shop. That will get taken care of, but remind your salesman if you're the one that's buying the car. Beautiful Formula steering wheel. I love these steering wheels. It's on a tilt column. Then up here, everything looks real sharp. The mirror looks new, visors look new, pillars look new. Now let's see what a 455 HO is supposed to look like. That is the number matching 455, making 360 horsepower. So it has the dual snorkel air cleaner, all complete with the hoses and the heat risers and all that good stuff. The motor itself is fresh looking, Pontiac blue. It has markings and stickers on it. Correct quadrajet carb and choke setup is all hiding underneath there, the right valve covers. Factory air conditioned car. You can see all the firewall and all the components look clean and fresh. Now the squirter bottle's hooked up. GM compressor, radiator, and the cap look new. Got the right shroud, got the right clutch fan, and all of it looks fresh. Nice alternator, power steering, Delco battery topper with the reproduction spring clamp cables, reproduction clamps and hoses. Power brakes with a plated booster with the markings on it. Wiper motor looks like it's all new. It's got the plastic grills up in the cowl along with the rubber seal. That's the stuff that's always missing. Hood insulation on the bottom of the hood. So it's a really nicely detailed engine with nice options under here. HO, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Michael's going to take you for a ride. I don't think he'll need the air today. It's a warm 15 degrees out. So as I said earlier, this is a meticulous body off frame restoration. Underneath it is detailed like new. Body was off the frame, so the rolling frame was completely taken apart, prepped, painted, all the components, the A-arms, all that looks really sharp. It was put together and it was all rebuilt. All the steering, the suspension, the bushings, the body mounts, all that was replaced. The brake system was completely redone. Disc in front, drum in back, e-brakes hooked up, brake lines are replaced, the fuel system all replaced, the tank, the lines, all looks nice, sharp looking under there. Nice factory style dual exhaust coming out the back here, and it's got the quad tips. Bumpers all re-chromed too. I don't think I talked about that earlier. The floors are just beautiful, clean floors and braces and rockers, all painted black. You look up at the motor, it's all fresh. The starter looks new. It's all stock. There's no high torque starters or Flowmasters, nothing like that. 1970 dated, has the tag on it. Turbo 400 automatic, all looks fresh. The rear end, all of that looks clean. Spring shocks, has the F41 suspension, which has front and rear sway bars and box control arms. Rare car, beautiful car, and just a nice car to drive. Top down, holding that Formula wheel, cruising down the road. Be fantastic. You're going to love it. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help arrange to get your GTO delivered to your garage and help you with financing if you need that too. Thanks for watching.